Hello, everyone. Nasir Qureshi with Texas Signature Realty in Houston, Texas. Realtor Daddy. Deal of the day for today. What a great house. I want to share this with you. Let's go. Is this house, which is a listing of an agent named by Serini. He's also with same brokerage as I am with Texas Signature Realty. This house, the address is 4610 Lee Lane, Fulshear, Texas, 77406. If you know a thing or two about Fulshear, Fulshear is hot. 10 years ago, I was telling people invest in Fulshear, invest in Fulshear. They thought I was crazy. But Fulshear is hot. Look at this beauty. If you have an idea, and if you wish to have peaceful living, country style, big spacious house for a good, luxurious house, but not in millions of dollars, like 3 or 4 or 5 million dollars. This is it. So this 4 bedroom house, 2.5 baths, 4,361 square feet is the living space, and the lot is 7.03 acres. Wow, this is a huge lot. Okay, so let's look at the picture of this beautiful diamond. I like this style of this roof, right? Kind of country style. Don't care. Let's look at this big wide entrance, wooden floor, chandeliers. Looks like spacious rooms. Kitchen, big, wide open. I like these windows. You can look outside and in the back from the windows, right out of the kitchen. Dining, a lot of kitchen space. Granite countertops, stairs going up. Beautiful, nice, classical wooden floors. Very rare these days to find this. Look at the restroom. It looks like master restroom, bath, carpeted rooms, spacious place. Look at all this wood. Beautiful. If you like wood, this is it. Again, this you can't find this kind of style these days anymore. All right. So elegant swimming pool with some covering. I like that. It'll be easier to maintain since it has covering, right? Less leaves to pick up. Beautiful. So this is it. It's not my listing. I picked this house because it's very special, uniqueness about this house. It's not within the city. It's not too far out of Houston, Texas. It's not crazy $2 or $3 million expensive. Uh, of course, price is negotiable. Everything is negotiable in real estate. If you have a buyer real estate agent representing you, you're welcome to contact me or look up this house, and uh, your agent can contact me. I'll give the information to your agent, or I can be your agent representing you in this transaction as a buyer's representative, your buyer representative agent. So, folks, remember, uh, of course, time is money, but real estate is both. This is the deal of the day. if you have a real estate hot deal that you would like me to share, or if you have any inquiry about real estate in Texas, residential, commercial, please contact me on the number on your screen, 281-857-2000. And see you at top. Please subscribe, share, and like for a great deal of the day and other hot content just like this one. Thank you. See you at the top. Bye bye.